There was a recent change in the government not too long ago. Can you talk, has the situation for the Rohingyas changed at all? Has it been better or has it gotten worse? Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, well, first of all, I should say that, of course, for the election victory of the NLD and Aung San Suu Kyi in November have, of course, raised a lot of hope for the Rohingya, even though they had been excluded from election and they were denied their voting rights for the first time in history during the November 2015 election. But so far, I cannot say that the situation has deteriorated. That's not the case, but it has also not improved. And as I said, there has been a very recent move from the NLD, which shows that at least they are willingly addressing the situation. Now it should be seen how that's going to develop. You may know that the NLD, for example, have requested the international community not to use the term Rohingya and also not to use the term Bengali, which the previous government have been using all the time to basically means Bengali means Bangladeshi, you are outsider, you should leave the country. So Aung San Suu Kyi requested that to try to diffuse a bit tension and to avoid, as she said herself, emotive turns. Unfortunately, I think this move is quite reasonable, but unfortunately the reaction has not been that good because the Rohingya, of course, wants to continue to be self-identified as Rohingya, and the Rakhine do not want to see even the Muslim community being called as Muslim community in Rakhine states. They don't even accept that term. They want to call them Bengali. So you see how, just with the term, how it is difficult to even address the problem. So far in Rakhine state, the first step on the ground that Aung San Suu Kyi government have done is through this committee that I mentioned in my presentation. They have restarted what is called a citizenship verification exercise. Unfortunately, that also is not going very well because many Rohingya do not want to apply for this. First of all, they don't see why they should apply for citizenship where they consider that they used to be citizen anyway. And also they want to see the word Rohingya put on the documents, which Suu Kyi have at least removed Bengali. But you see, this discussion on terms is very deep inside Myanmar. So at the moment, the Rohingya, the Rohingya have refused to participate, and the Rakhine have also protested against it.
Thank you.